Forskolin 250 profits. What is Forskolin 250? Forskolin 250 is owned and distributed by Bauer Nutrition, a sports, weight loss, and nutritional supplement manufacturer that is based in the UK. How does Forskolin 250 work? There are only a small fraction of information in Bauer Nutrition's official website on how this product really works for weight loss. Generally, there are tons of clinical studies about Forskolin's benefits, including those for weight loss, and most of these studies have shown positive results. One of the most dependable study sources was published in Wiley Library that involves a 12-week study, Forskolin supplementation against placebo, which showed Forskolin's potent slimming effects. Is Forskolin 250 safe? Forskolin 250 is generally safe for most adult dieters as it contains pure Forskolin extract, nothing else. This brand has no stimulants such as caffeine or any harmful chemicals that may affect your health negatively. Just like other dietary supplements, you should first consult your doctor before you take this dietary pill or any other Forskolin-based product that you stumble online. Recommended use: take Forskolin 250 as your dietary supplement. Take 2 capsules per day with food or drink. Do not exceed this dosage unless approved by your physician or healthcare provider. Pregnant mothers, nursing mothers, and children under 18 years of age are not advised to take this pill. Always consult your doctor when purchasing diet pills online. Where to buy Forskolin 250? Forskolin 250 is neither available at any local fitness drug outlets near you, nor in any online health supplement retailers. This brand is only available at Bauer Nutrition's official website. To purchase Forskolin 250, please visit its official sales page below.